Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Now today guys we're going to be taking a quick look at a tutorial for Flipgrid. Now you guys probably should have already used Flipgrid for lesson number 2. However, I'm just going to give you a little, just a little sneak peek of what I kind of want you to do, as well as how to actually download the videos, because I don't think we actually covered that in lesson 2. I just kind of graded it and looked at it from the site. Alright, so first thing you do is just go on here and go to your Google Drive or Google or Bing or whatever you want to use and put in Flipgrid. You could also just do it www.flipgrid.com here as well. Click on the resource and then it'll bring you to the main page. Go down to enter flip code. Now for this final assignment, our flip code is going to be Disney. Okay, that is Disney 123. Little d, okay? So not capital D, but a little d. Disney 123. And then go to my grid. Now, once you're at your grid, log in with your student ID. So it has to be your student Google account like you've been using, okay? Once again, if you do not do it with your student account, I will not know who you are and what you're doing, and I'll just throw it all away, which is not what you're looking for. Log in with Google. I'll put my student account right here just to show you. And we are logged in successfully, and here we are at our main page of Flipgrid. Now, if you go down, we can see our assignment tasks. This is just a small little excerpt from the main Google site page that I really want you guys to look at. So that's the final assignment page on Google Sites. This is just a little excerpt just to remind you what I'm looking for in this video. And then we also have a little YouTube video, Pocahontas Was a Mistake, recorded by a pretty interesting YouTuber who does a lot of Disney kind of expose pieces, but kind of rants and looks at social issues within Disney. She looks at Pocahontas. We've covered that pretty much in depth. But take a look at what she's saying, how she's recording her video, and take a lesson from her. I don't want you to do a complete cookie cutter, but she has some really good ways that she records, and I think that you guys could learn a lot from the way that she does it. So take a look at this, just because it's a really, really good resource. It is a bit long. You don't have to watch the whole thing, but do take a look at it and see her style and how she records. After you're ready and you've written your script, once again, you have to write a script. Click on this big plus button and start recording your videos. Okay? Now, those of you who do not know how to download the video yet, let me show you. I'm just going to quickly go over to a new page, and I'm going to go to my login. I'm going to go to the teacher copy, and I'm just going to take a look at one of the videos that I recorded. This will be in lesson 2, and this was the intro to lesson 2. And my introduction video showing you all the little features and how to use Flipgrid from lesson 2. Now, when you have your video here, it will show the exact same for you for the responses. Go over to actions and then go down and go to download video. Okay? It's just this section right here with the little, I don't know what they call those, like the scene clipboard things. I don't know what they're called. I'm not a director. Anyways, click on it. And it'll bring you to a new page, and it's as simple as that. Big blue button says download video. You could also save it to your Google Drive as well if that's the way you want to go, but you have both options there, and you just download it as just a normal MP4 video. After you've downloaded that video, simply upload it onto the Dropbox along with your script as well. You can use Word document, Notepad, whatever you want to use to write your script, as long as it's legible and it's in a script format. And then put both of those resources into the Dropbox, and we will mark it from there. Alright guys, I hope that helped you out. Once again, this is for people who wish to record their expose as a video, not a written response or an audio response, okay? I will have a video for both of those things as well. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.